Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Dhruv and today we are going to learn how to code the set position function in AppLab. So let's start off with the design. So this is something I've been wanting to tell you. There's something called theme right over here above the button. So like you can choose any theme you want and like whatever you put on the screen is going to correspond to the theme which you put. So let's just choose this dark scheme. So now let's put a button. So basically when this button is clicked, we are going to set the position of this text area to whatever position you like. As you can see, there's something called X and Y position when you hover your cursor over the screen. So you can choose any position you want and just experiment it with that. So what you're going to need is on event. So on event, the button is clicked. So we are going to set the position of this text area to the X and Y position. And we don't actually need these 200s at the end, but you can use it. So always keep this thumb rule in mind that the first one is always the X position and the second one is always the Y position. So please don't get confused thinking this is the Y position and this is the X position. The first one will always remain the X position. So like we can choose any position. Let's keep it as 100. So X position as 100 and Y position as 100. So now let's test it. Yes, when the button is clicked, it moves to the X position 100 and the Y position 100. So this is useful in like many ways. You can use it in various ways if you want to like move something and show the viewer what you want to like get them to do. So this is the thing that you need. And thank you for watching my video guys. I hope you liked it and please don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. Bye.